jump off arm at this.
The Chrysler version of the 722.6, commonly referred to as the NAG1. Today we are going to address two concerns. One is a leak at the valve body pass-through connector, which is very common. If left unserviced, transmission fluid will wick up to the computer and cause damage requiring computer replacement. So to recap, a $20 component left unchecked will destroy a $1,000 computer. Be aware of this fact when repairing leaks on this transmission, as this is often overlooked and very costly to the shop. Now guys, hang tight because part 2 is coming, a little more in depth. We hope you've enjoyed today's technical training video. I gotta go on a road test right now, so we'll see you guys around.